Disclaimer. This video is shared for the purposes of news reporting, documentation, and education. Some viewers may find the contents of this video disturbing. Police Blue Line provides context and analysis on police interactions to help the public understand law enforcement procedures and the complexities of high-stress situations. We remain neutral and do not condone violence or illegal acts. All footage is obtained via public records requests or official department releases. Get real with us, raw. Uncut, real. Video. Help us reach more people by liking and subscribing. Your support makes these videos possible. Thank you.
Surveillance system camera operator reported a group of suspected undocumented aliens that were near Laredo Regional Food Bank at the intersection of Anna Avenue and Alamo Street. The group then moved upriver along the Rio Grande riverbank to the Munoz warehouse, located near the intersection of Anna Avenue and Baltimore Street. U.S. Border Patrol agents responded to the area and proceeded on foot, attempting to locate the subjects. On September 23, 2024, at approximately 12:59 a.m., a Laredo North drone operator located the subjects near Anna Avenue and Madison Street. As Border Patrol agents arrived at the location, 3 subjects ran towards the Rio Grande River. Agents split up, giving chase to the subjects who ran in different directions. While attempting to apprehend one of the subjects, a fight ensued between the subject and a Border Patrol agent. This incident occurred in dense brush, where a struggle ensued for approximately 1 minute and 10 seconds, while both the agents and subject were swarmed and stung by bees. At approximately 1:02 a.m., the agent drew his Glock 47 from his holster. The agent fired 1 bullet from his handgun, which struck the subject in the right buttock. At approximately 1:03 a.m., a second Border Patrol agent arrived on scene and assisted in securing the subject. The following is body-worn camera video from the agent at the scene of the incident. The first 2 minutes were recorded during the buffer period and do not have audio. The following video contains graphic content, flashing lights, and/or imagery that may cause discomfort and/or seizures for those with photosensitive epilepsy. Viewer discretion is advised.
Red! I got one! Right here! Yep. East this way. Ya perdiste. Ya perdiste. ¿Eh? ¿Qué? ¿Qué? No. Suéltame. Suéltame. Te voy a matar, tú. ¡Ah! 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 ¡Auxilio! ¡Me disparó! ¡Auxilio! ¡Ah! ¡Me disparó! ¡Ah! ¡Ah! ¡Auxilio! ¡Auxilio! ¡Otro mano! ¡Otro mano! Me disparaste, güey. ¿Qué sé? No mames. Pues me están picando el ojo. ¿Sí o no? Hey, still fighting. He's still fighting. No se mueva. Ya para de mover, güey. Ya perdiste. You? Yeah. Where? No, I didn't cuff him. That's me.
Hey, no mames.
¿Qué?
Pararon, güey.
¿Sí?
Ah,
¿Estás pegando el ojo?
ah, 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 ah.
I got bees all over me.
Hey, hold him, hold him. Hold him. Let me cuff him, hold him.
I got one cuff on.
Raise the other hand. Yeah. Hey, hold him. I can't get his cuff on. I can't get a cuff on. Hold him.
Yeah, aparte de mover, güey.
Sit down. Yeah.
¿Ya?
Yeah. No, don't trust him, bro. Don't trust him.
No.
I can't get this shit on. Hold him, bro.
Ya para de mover, güey.
Hold him, bro. Oh.
Here?
No. Your handcuff is in the fucking way.
You gonna get out here, there's bees all over.
Hey, call that in, bro.
Me están picando las abejas, güey.
¿Yo sé?
Ayúdame.
Ah. Hey, hold him.
Está bueno, ya me rendí, güey.
Fuck is that on there?
They're bees, man. We have to
Ayúdame,
get out of
ya
here.
déjame paro. Me están picando esta mamada.
Yo sé, ahorita lo vamos.
Ah,
Súbete.
está bueno. Pero ya. Ah, la verga.
Hold him.
Ya.
Súbete.
Sí.
Agarra.
Fucking bees.
No mames, güey. Ya vamos a parar. Ya vamos a parar.
No puedes, güey.
No estoy haciendo nada. No estoy poniendo resistencia ya.
¿Ya acabaste?
Sí, güey.
Súbete.
Está bueno.
I got cuffs. You cuff his feet.
Pues ayúdame a parar. Ay, me están picando esta mamá.
Hey. Hold him, bro. He's still fighting. Hold his hands.
Ya párate. Ya, pasíbate.
Me está picando.
Yo sé,
está
ya para de
picando.
mover.
Sí, güey, pero me está picando.
Yo también, ya aparte. Ya.
Está bueno ya. Ayúdame.
Ahorita, con acabamos. Puta madre. ¿Qué estás haciendo? ¿Qué? Aparte.
No, la verga, güey. Güey, no, hombre, güey, ni... Te pasé, qué bueno, me paraste en la nalga. No, straight.
Go hard.
Yeah.
Fuck, get us out of here, bro.
Ay, güey.
Fuck. Yeah, chamber side of that, we're nice.
Picando, güey.
I need a call. Phase 2.
Yeah. Make sure you hold it. Hold that in.
Pass it to the soup. Pass it to the soup.
Hold on.
Hello? Hey, reporting a shot fired. No, me. It's just me. I shot one. Yes, sir. Here by the 06. Yeah. Yes, sir. I'm out of breath. I'm winded. Him and I were going to tussle. Yes, sir. Oh, fuck. Huh? Say what?
The person that you shot at, are they still there?
Yeah, he's 15 right now. He's in custody.
He's what?
He's in custody.
He's in custody?
Yeah.
Did you actually shoot him or not?
I shot him. I hit him.
Okay. Did you request EMS yet or not?
Not yet.
I'm sorry?
Not yet.
Okay. Let me contact the 940 and let them know. What location are you at?
By the 06.
06?
Yeah.
Okay, 10-4.
Gunshot.
At approximately 1:15 a.m., the subject received medical aid from a Border Patrol agent EMT and a Texas National Guard medic. At 1:22 a.m.,